Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Google Chrome search engine keeps changing to Bing, then please watch this video. Now, here's what Bing does. To promote its own search engine, whenever you download or install a Microsoft product on your system, it will try to push Bing as the search engine. So here's what you have to do. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Before anything else, as you can see, Bing opened. So before anything else, click on the three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and select manage extensions. Now you can see the Bing extension here. Disable it. If it helps, then remove it. Now, whether you find this extension here or not is a different case. In both the cases, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to the On Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on the three dots associated with Bing and remove it. Okay, this will automatically revert to open a new tab page. And if you want the default search engine to be Google, click on this open specific page or set of pages. Click on add a new page and name it google.com and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.